Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to excavation process this excavation site area. So first of all, I just delete this. I'm already create this process. I need to start from. I need to apply this from the start. So first of all, select this. Just delete this form right now. Okay, so first open this site plan view and create a ground surface. Desired what you need to what area should be drawn, draw this ground surface. Click this massing and site tab, apply this topo solid and say I need to just draw a rectangle or square shape. This topo solid area, just finish it and go to this 3D view and okay. If the depth or thickness of this ground surface you don't find this type of depth because if I select this topo solid element and go to edit type and click this edit, you can apply this thickness structure what you need to apply this thickness. Just put it this dimension and click OK. You can see your topo solid element will be increase this will be change the thickness. Then select this ground topo solid element and I just close this schedule for now and select this topo solid. Then in properties on your left side, properties panel, and apply the face created, this existing, because this is the existing topo solid ground surface. In this existing form we have to apply this excavation process and subtract this void, apply the void form to create excavation zone. Okay, so select this form. This is the face created existing and it should be demolished in new construction. Okay, so this element is the existing and the face demolished is new construction. So now click this massing and site and apply this grade region. There is a dialog box, edit graded region, apply this, create a new topography exactly like the existing one. Click it and select this topo solid element and just escape. So there is a two element same place in each other, two topo solid, one is existing and another is this new construction. So okay, so now I have to apply void form, which is the second time we already set in this topo solid section. The second element should be void in this excavation zone area. If we select this second element, I I need to apply duplicate this second element. So new construction. So go to plan view, click architecture, then component model in place, and select this topo solid category, then OK. So excavation zone, then create a void form, void extrusion. I just apply follow this sight line. And create this apply this finish mode. Okay, go to this 3D view. As you can see, this void form will be shown in this axonometric view. Okay, so select this void form and drag it to the ground, below ground, and apply a cut element. First of all, solid, then void. Okay, then skip. Void will be create because there is a two elements shown in this view. Because I just finish, go to finish mode. I need to apply this face filter, show complete. Okay, so it will shows only that void element with this solid form. Okay, so now apply schedule. This is the second object which it will overlap the previous one, because if we select this form, as you can see in properties panel on your left side, there is a 3 parameter shown in this net cut fill cut parameter. Okay, so void estimation shown in this parameter, value shown in this parameter, cut parameter. If we go to this view and create a schedule quantities, and collect this topo solid and OK, and I just specify the topo solid element, and this is the main volume, and the cut is which is subtract from the solid. So as you can see, this is the main ground volume, and subtraction excavation volume is this one. So we can easily estimate this excavation zone in this Revit software. Okay, so it will more easy to apply in this Revit software. Okay, so that's it for today. We will see in next video tutorial. Okay, thank you.